What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. Where today in this video we're going to have a look into this Yakola Y6 car mini DVR. Now this car DVR packed with all fantastic features, starting with the 360-degree full view, supports 120-degree micro SD card, starlight night vision sensor, so the night vision would be fantastic using this camera, built-in Wi-Fi in there as well, and also come with the one key photo shoot button. If you have been following my channel, I tend to add everything in my video, starting with the unboxing, configuration of a product, following with the demonstration and conclusion that what I think about this product. So if this is something you are looking for, stay tuned by clicking onto the subscribe button and sit back and relax. Let's go through this dash cam. So here we have everything which come with this dash camera, starting with the user manual and a QR code for the app, one 5-meter long micro USB charging cable, couple of spare 3M VHB sticky pads, one Bluetooth enabled event capturing button which can be installed anywhere in your car and come with the VHB 3M sticky pad. Now in last but not least, we have our car mini DVR where the lens can be moved vertically 300 degrees, and it also covers the 360 degree in front of your car. Now the mounting bracket is very easy and straightforward to lock in. Under the camera lens we have a microphone as well as the factory restore button. Then on the right hand side of the camera we have a slot for micro SD card which supports up to 128 gigabytes and a micro USB charging port for power, where on the left hand side we have a speaker output. Now the camera lens is equipped with the starlight night vision sensor which will give you fantastic night vision recording even in the low light situation, which make this dash camera ideal for all situation like a day as well as the night. Now just before installing this camera on your windscreen, let's power it up temporarily and install the app on our mobile phone, which will help us to set the position of camera on a windscreen by using the mobile phone app. Now let's power it up temporarily. Now once camera is powered up, you're going to see the status light going green and going to hear audible notification. Now you need to install the app which is available for Android as well as for iOS users. QR code is available within the packaging. By using the QR code scanner, simply straight away go onto their website and download for your appropriate mobile phone. Once download is completed, open it from there. Now we have managed to install Car DV360 application on our mobile phone by scanning the QR code available within the package. Now after that, first thing you gotta do is connect with the Wi-Fi of your camera, which will be going straight into the Wi-Fi of your mobile phone, and looking for LSXG6 in here. Select it and type in the password which is 8 times 8. Now once you are connected, your mobile phone wanted to disconnect it because there's no internet on it. So it will pop up a message like that. Click onto the yes. Now open up Car DV360 degree application and click traffic record. There straight away you're going to see the live feed of your camera. Now the important thing which you need to do to start with is pressing this button, which is a camera recording button. So now the camera is started in recording mode. So you have to make sure that is the first step you need to do. Now let's put the camera in front of the windscreen to see what sort of image we are getting. Okay, let's see the image. That's not bad. Actually, we are covering 360 degree in front of our house. Not bad at all. I would prefer to mount it in the middle of the windscreen and I won't be able to see it because of the mirror as well. So let's get it done with it. Now camera is successfully mounted on a windscreen without any problem. Now the app, which is very important to look into, and it will give now the now the now camera is successfully mounted on a windscreen without any problem. App is very user friendly and straightforward. Bit of hassle to download, to be honest with you. Now you can go into the settings of your camera where you're going to see the option for the hardware acceleration, HD preview, fisheye mode, image quality, exposure, remote recording using this remote button. You heard the notification and recorded it. And a loop recording, how big is the loop you wanted, starting with the 1, 3 or a 5 minute. I've set to the 5 minute, and the recording is the full HD actually. Then we have got the recording mode, which is 25 frames per second, and also give you option for the monitor mode, which is 5 frame per seconds. Next is the audio recording, which is set on, and the impact detection set to the medium. Now you can also format your SD card right within the app itself as well, and you can change your Wi-Fi password, which is highly recommended to do as well. Now to see all the recorded footages on this dash camera, you have to go and click within the app on this play button. Here, if you have taken the picture, will be available in picture section, and videos will be available in a video recording section. By simply going into any recording, you're going to see it live, which is recorded in a high definition mode. And now using this app, you can easily spot it, anything you want in it. So let's suppose I'm on this first fisheye lens. If I scroll into it, I can see it exactly where I want or what I want very clearly without any problem. Now if I wanted to download this video into my mobile phone, press and hold and click onto this download button. Now in this recorded footage, you're also going to see the monitor footages as well as the emergency footages as well. Footage which is for monitoring is basically a parking footage, and the emergency when the G sensor is activated, which this camera is got it as well. A very simple and straightforward application as well as the camera. Let's have a look into the daytime recording of this camera. Well, now let's go ahead and look into the daytime recording of this camera. Daytime recording is not bad at all. Now let's have a look into the night time recording. Well, now you have seen it all, daytime as well as the nighttime recording of this camera, and also the app as well. It's a bit of hassle to download the app, but other than that, once it's working, it's great without any problem. I have shown you everything about this camera. So you should make a call by looking into my video that is this camera for you or not. Recording footage is fantastic. The way it works is okay. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in a comment section below that what you think about this video and what kind of camera, a dash cam camera you have in your car. So on that note guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.